will therefore more about confidence better you so. Now say never be security or social media then picture be your hair picture be a part of shop picture be a no the MC picture by some American a brand TV or your Kumo actor your friend is such a picture and American once me picture never talk one thing and then a rare name and that picture so na e fufuro na sechere picture ne ba wonten no na e chere sechere we free atiase for asase so ye MCA pa ema ye se ne sechere behwetwe nkomo e friend na enya no ema ye friend down for pa a oni book so ata friend Joe Sotingo so American asem no so otwasini na bi ti Joe Sotingo na e chere sechere emu ye na series bi a na omu twa no poster and a bar on Tia Man of Bassa and Tisha. And to message some women calling good tea, just a single necessary and come to chain, I'll chain or phone so no.
Mana cousin.
Shotting
Hey, over.
Yeah, shot a event.
Over Quaja, son will be I know. You are the child you.
Ah.
You crown again a goose and a society. I know you'll be out yes, I don't know. You are this Sunday man, so when you push on all this, I had no photo.
Yes.
Of a moment, I say.
Oh.
My yes, some man, I met us, I'm your dozen. Oh. When you are asking Papa,
my friend will come out, and I'm afraid I attack Uche.
I know,
and to attack her and a number do. Timmy flow before Kumasi, and also on tea, Bibisa.
Oh, well, I'm no more Yamasano. Eh? Obi a child ye di adre na wo de kwoto ba bi semawu wa obi atena ya le mpoda bra ma ti ase yo da tani na me kaka
di ase bra
me da ase se ja kemewu akwati ya me ya ti ya tingo I said to my work, what
so now, but tell me putting commercial by such a fans for you now. Message who can come on to him, na such a or that's what Tiasin or one pardon, then. Say hi, no pa, but soon who said more yes, I didn't be. Yes, I got a man had it. Well, I had a mechanics well. I am such trending issues out to be mere in Nanaka Kubun Sam. Another Kubun Sam American asking or your comfort. Now, say, they say, not a comfort, you man one obey. They say, what in whom a share politics. Your trip in the business, they didn't know person than whom share politics. Must say, the constituency 101 offensive North constituency. No, MP no honor, or one whom they cry, or my croon age jack, and they say, on one cassa, of 5 forms. So, Baby Jina, member of parliament, offensive North constituency. I'm
talking to you now. I'm just putting things together so that everything's going to be okay and good things to come in office of constituency. You know, people are going to say that why in Nenoko you want to be a member of parliament? Because in my constituency, things are not moving good here. And nothing going on good. Everything's messed up. So I wanted to contest. Let everybody see. I want everybody to see it. I'm not joking. But charge on blame. Yeah. Yes. This is my form. I wanted to be a member of parliament in Offensive North constituency. So today I just picked my form, share the video. I want everybody to see that Nanako Akubunsam has already pick his form for the election. Yes. And I'm doing it. I'm just trying to do it. So this is how it goes. So to respect, you all should support me in your prayers so that I can win the election. Yes, this is how it is. So I'm feeling it, and then I'm going to submit it as a member of parliament. So I'm talking to you now. I'm feeling it. I get all these names here. Yes. And then that I want to do everything good so that this coming year 2020 election is not something whereby some people would judge me, some people will say that, Nana, why you want to be a member of parliament? I want to be a member of parliament because some of the ministers, when the government give them money to do something, they didn't do it. They do with their own pocket. The money the government give it to them, they just chop the money just like that. They didn't use the money to do anything that they're supposed to do. But I never look at my house. This is my house. Look at the cars that are parked over there. See the cars are parked over there. There's no need for me to go and get the money, say that the money the government is going to use it for me, I'm going to use to buy cars. Never. I already have my cars over there. I already have my house. Everything is here. You understand? Look at the back there. I already have it. I have more than that. But I wanted to be a member of parliament. You see, the cars are parked over there. You understand? So, all these things doesn't mean that I'm going for parliament because of the money. No. I want to go to the parliament because of the corrupt. That the government has given the money to people. They're supposed to use the money to do something, whereby they didn't use it. Me, I always, when somebody done a good thing, I'm going to tell you that you've done a good job. I can say that the former president, Mahama, has done a good job because he built schools. At the same time, I can say that Nana Akufo-Addo has done what Mukunkoro Pono cannot do it, because he brings free school. He done free school. You understand? At the same time, water free, electricity free. So he has done a good job. Because I've done, what do you call it? I've done free school before. I started 2006 to 2015. We are looking at 1,900 school children free education. I build market. When you come to my village, I come there and I build a market. First time I build some, and then later on I build another. The police station that the policemen stay in Akumade Franjo, I do it. They started doing it, and I finish it. I spent a lot of money over there. But I want people around the world to notice that. Let everybody vote for me. I want to become a member of parliament. When you voted me into power, I will surely prove my accountability. This is not break your funds. The good thing you do, the good thing will follow you. That's why I said that Nana Adudanko Akufo-Addo, Onyankopon, Onshirano, say school no de buy ya, a free education. The man has done what Mukunkoro cannot do it. Me my free education, me started 2006 to 2015. The man me go school no cry, and this time because some copy bus, me call some per option car, ya mama. and man be good school. No. I'm not doing I'm not stand MPP or NDC, but I say I'm going to be independent. I want to be independent in Akumadan Efrancho, Office North constituency. I want to become a member of parliament. That is why I pick my forms. This is my forms. You see, this is my forms. Neither you like it or not, I pick my forms. As a member of parliament. So I need your support, your prayers, your advice. If it is money, I'm not going to be a member of parliament. But because of the things that is not going on in official North constituency, if you go to in King Kelso, you see that the church around the King Kelso, when the rainfall comes, nobody can even go to his houses. When you come to Akuma de Francho, Akumadan, the same thing applies here. Francho is west and west and west. So you don't have MP here, you don't have DC here. So I'm using this opportunity to say this, to do it in respect. I want to be a member of parliament in 2020. And my focus, and I'm planning big time that official North, they are going to vote for me. And when they voted me into power, when I became a member of parliament, I will try as much as possible. Anything that I say I'm going to do it, I will do it. People who just came here to blow your phones, they say they're going to do this, they're going to do this. Nothing. They didn't do nothing. They didn't face anything. So I'm talking to you now. Now the Danko Akufo-Addo, he has done a lot. And he's a good man. Because the free education this man bring it, he has done a lot. The former president, Mahama, also done a lot. But Nana Akufo-Addo, he has done a lot. Because nobody can even tell me that, describe that Jesus is white or black. Whereby I didn't see Jesus, but I believe that maybe he's black or white. But when somebody says that Mahama, when he can build houses, he build interchange, you do this, I can say I see. But when somebody says that Nana Akufo-Addo, he bring free education, I can say that yes, due to respect. And I'm witness like that. I know that Nana Akufo-Addo. Now I'm talking to you now. Free light, free water. When you come to my house here, I can even show you my house. My house is very big, very big. But you see, how many people in this house? More than 120 people. They all fetch water, free drink, do everything free. So I'm not saying this, but that voted me into power in 2020 election as a member of parliament. We are going to vote skirt and blouse. Vote the MP for me, Nana Kwaku-Mensam. And then the person who you want to be your president of the Republic of Ghana, and your own mind, you choose. When the MP come, he give you money. The MP is in people's houses. Give them money, share money, house to house. When the MP comes, he give you money, chop. When you are in the bus, the MP is not there. And then you vote for Nana Kwaku-Mensam. Chop. The last time.
Now, but tell me, I'm going to Nana Kwaku-Mensam by. Nti offense North constituency for no more nanim na me de nkwache 7 December ya no more nanim oba as member of parliament more nanim na monto abanoma no for change I say omo so dwumadi asene dwumaku so dwumadi asene president joint American asene or Asante Mampong opposite library Page joint say kura de auto na aduane 1 plate obema drink free so bolu free kwa average so say oye orders so okoye wedding engagement outdoor birthday say bibi bia we bia no and for aduane no ana say aduane nhihye ni nyina nko ba bia for wani kire page joint asantema mpon opposite library one so yasene no so be so yasene ama eduma die na na say bibi akoso a obetimi afa telephone number na go screen ase no 0543627069 na yabo wadwuma ana say ye woto ana dwuma die bia we bia no yabo mo dawuru ama beda wase so tie